Perhaps one of the least desirable jobs in Dubai. This is where the city's sewage ends up every day, over 65,000 gallons of it at the Al Aweer sewage plant. It's a thankless job done by drivers mainly from Pakistan. The thousands of orange-colored tankers are a familiar sight, especially at nearby International City and on the Dubai-Hatta highway. Congestion is so heavy that some drivers can spend up to 20 hours in their trucks waiting to offload sewage at the outdated plant.
मालूम है कि यहाँ आपको मुझे मालूम होना चाहिए कि हम यहाँ 12-12, 24-24 घंटे लाइन में खड़े रहते हैं, तो हमारी गाड़ियाँ खाली होने में बहुत टाइम लगता है। तो इसलिए हमें इसकी प्रॉब्लम है, हमें यह है कि हमें ओवरटेक करनी पड़ती है, हमें फाइन होते हैं, हमारे लाइसेंसों को पॉइंट आते हैं, फिर लाइसेंस बंद हो जाते हैं।
And Al Aweer is running over capacity. Contractors say it is simply unable to cope with the city's wastewater.
The biggest problem is the offloading of the tankers at the Aweer sewage plant. There are insufficient number of offloading points. That is the reason there is a long queue of tankers, maybe 4 to 5 kilometers.
The situation has worsened considerably and is taking a physical and mental toll on drivers. Now they say many have resorted to dumping sewage illegally to avoid the tailbacks. We rode with some truckers on a night delivery just outside of the Al Aweer plant. After an initial nervous few minutes, they told us that dumping is routine.
जी 9 गाड़ी
एक जबलाली में एक जगह पर पकड़ा,
यानी 9 गाड़ी आपके यहाँ के 9 गाड़ी लोग ऐसे डंपिंग करते हैं।
बहुत ऐसे तो ये 100 से भी ऊपर करता है ना, लेकिन अगर पकड़ा गया तो फिर 5,000 से कम नहीं है मुखालिफा।
It's a sensitive topic for drivers to talk about because they face fines of up to 50,000 dirhams if they are caught.
बात भी सही है, जो है सहारा लोग है यार, हम तो कर सकते हैं, बाहर खाली कर सकते हैं, ये सहारा लोग भी है।
Authorities agree there is a growing problem that needs to be addressed. The truckers say that this waiting period is too long for them, and so they sometimes end up dumping the sewage illegally within the city premises. Are you aware of it?
Well, there has been report in the newspaper, and of course, you cannot really fully control what's going on in town, but such a thing could happen, and we do expect and encourage them not to do so because the water is untreated and it is a hazard to the public health. And if it's brought into a treatment plant here, we will be taking care of it. So, out of frustration, maybe some of them they are doing that.
The queues are also a serious hazard for residents at International City, who have to drive around hundreds of tankers blocking the main entrance. The municipality says the new 1.6 billion dirham Jabalali sewage plant, which will replace the one at Al Aweer, will ease the strain on truck drivers. It's due to come online in 2010, but until that happens, truckers are in for a long wait. Sunita Menon, Gulf News.